Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share my thoughts on this mid-range monster of a device, the POCO X6 Pro. And before saying anything about it, let's do some quick unboxing to see what's inside in it. I will give you my initial impressions about the unboxing experience, and after that, we will dive deep into the review aspects of the smartphone. As you can see, this is the box where it all begins. The box itself is sturdy and it comes in this signature yellowish black accents from POCO. This packaging reminds me of my previous smartphone that I used, the POCO F5, which is also an amazing smartphone by the way. Coming back to the X6 Pro, I got this high-end 512GB and 12GB model. So the first thing you can see when you open the box is the phone itself wrapped in this plastic packaging. This cover has the most important features of the smartphone written all over it. Moving on, you will get to see another packaging with manuals, warranty information and SIM ejector tool. Pretty basic stuff. However, one thing that really got my attention in this packaging is the new silicone case itself. POCO has replaced this old traditional TPU cases with the new type of silicone case, and I for one really loved it and appreciate it. Unlike the old transparent TPU case, this new silicone case won't change into this pale yellowish color, and I think it's a big relief, as now we don't need to purchase a new case after 2 to 3 months of usage. Not only that, the new case looks more elegant, sophisticated than these old transparent TPU cases. And I think POCO and Xiaomi should sell them online in case if we need a replacement. So moving on, inside you will see the super fast 67 watts charging brick and its companion, the USB Type-C cable. Coming back to the smartphone, the design looks new with this glossy finish covered in this shiny black color. This phone is currently available in 3 colors, grey, black and yellow. I got the black one, and one of the striking feature about this smartphone is the camera housing on the back. It holds the triple camera setup with LED flash, which totally made the smartphone stand above the rest in this price segment. So that's it for now, and stay tuned for the big reveal where I will showcase my review experience with this smartphone. And a big shout out to POCO community for giving me a chance to experience this smartphone in its raw form.